I'm involved in Harmony in the work package 2, and I work as an academic partner in a multiple myeloma field. Big data is important in the field because many national cooperative groups are studying the same things, and there are some patients that are at high risk of relapse and death, and still we treat the same way the high-risk patient and the standard-risk patient. So only joining our forces we can improve the outcome of these patients. So I think that this is a unique opportunity for all of us.